I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening YouTube and signing in with the exact account that made the draft. This matters. Once signed in, on desktop click your profile and open YouTube Studio, and on mobile open the app and tap the Create Plus icon. Make sure any two-step verification prompts are completed, because interruptions can hide drafts. Once done, proceed directly to the Content or Uploads area to reveal drafts saved under your Uploads or in the Drafts folder. Now locate the actual drafts. On desktop, go to YouTube Studio, choose Content, then use the Filter menu and pick Drafts so only unfinished uploads appear. On mobile, tap Create, choose Upload a Video, and then look for the Drafts lane at the bottom. Drafts saved locally can show there. Make sure to check both the Uploads list and your Videos area because some drafts are cloud saved while others remain on device. If you see the title, tap it to open the editor and continue. Select the draft to open the editor. Edit title, description, tags, thumbnail, and visibility settings so they match your plan. Once edits are done, you can save again as a draft, schedule a publish time, or publish immediately. Make sure to confirm on the final screen. If your draft doesn't appear, clear app cache or browser cache, sign out and back in, or open YouTube in an incognito window to rule out extension conflicts. These fixes resolve most visibility problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.